Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model a mantis in Blender, which I already modeled in Maya. So today I am going to try that model in Blender, the mantis model. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is very simple model of a mantis in Blender. I am new to Blender. This is very simple model of a mantis. I am still learning Blender. So hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this, and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.